Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code VIKAS10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
You all, I hope you are all good. So students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for national affairs, and this is the past one for October month. Let's start. The first question is, mark the correct statement regarding World Food India 2025 inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th of September. If we look at the options, all these three options are rightly mentioned. Next, in September, Ministry of Ayush has launched India's first integrated neuro rehabilitation center, that is Prayas, and it was where? It was at All India Institute of Ayurveda, that is in Goa, right? And this was integrated, or this was launched when? On the 10th Ayurveda day. This center, this will be focusing on children with neurological and development conditions. Next, mention the name of the indigenously developed automatic train protection system whose loco trails were successfully conducted at Somatne, Apta and Jite stations on the Panvel Rohana section of Mumbai division in September. So what is the name of that indigenously developed automatic train protection system? This is quite good, right? It was launched on pilot basis earlier and now it is being rolled out in various state locations globally. Not just globally, in India, pan India it is being rolled out, right? Next is, during the celebration of 100th year of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, a commemorative postage stamp and a coin of 100 rupees, right, featuring the image of Bharat Mata on an Indian currency for the first time was released. Take a note of it. Next is, pick out the correct statement regarding the celebrations of the centenary, that is 100th year of UPSC in October 2025. If we look at the options, all these three options are rightly mentioned here. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the approvals of the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on pulses and rabi crops in September. If we look at the options, here also all these three options are rightly mentioned. Next, find out the city where Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav has launched National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Digital University platform to democratize access to high quality digital education. So find out the city. It is New Delhi. This is the right option here. Next, in October, Airbus along with whom? So Airbus along with Tata Advanced Systems Limited, they have announced the establishment of India's first private sector final assembly line in Vimagal, Karnataka to manufacture the Airbus H125 helicopter. Right? This can be asked also that these H125 helicopters will be developed where in India? They will be at the Vimagal in Karnataka, right? And it is Airbus that partnered with Tata Advanced Systems Limited. They are also, this Tata Advanced Systems Limited, they are also coming up with a semiconductor fabrication manufacturing plant in Dholera. Next, My Bharat mobile application launched by Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Manviya in October has been designated and developed by which organization? It is Digital India Corporation, that is DIC. Next is, in September, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated the new office of what? It is the new office of Indraprastha Gas Limited, that is IGL, at the World Trade Center in New Delhi. Next, mark the correct statement regarding Union Cabinet approvals chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. If we look at the options here, option A is right and option B is right. C is wrongly mentioned. C is saying that the Cabinet approved a hike of 5% in DA for central employees and DNS relief for the pensioners. It is not 5% hike but 3% hike here. Next, in October, Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that the new Navi Mumbai International Airport will be named after what? It will be named after Lok Neta Dinkar Balu Patil, that is DB Patil. Next, name the district that was declared as India's first child marriage free district after achieving 0 reported child marriage cases across 436 gram panchayats and 9 urban local bodies. It is Balod Chhattisgarh. Next, identify the Indian state government that launched an electronic bond e-bond system in October for high value import and export transactions, becoming the 16th state in India to adopt this digital initiative. It is Maharashtra state. Right option is Maharashtra state. Next is mark the correct statement regarding the youth focused initiatives launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in October. If we look at the options here, option only B is right, A is wrong and C is wrong. Next, where was India's first cooperative multi-feed compressed biogas plant and potash granule production facility inaugurated by Union Minister for Home Affairs, that is Amit Shah. So where was this India's first cooperative multi-feed compressed biogas and potash granule production facility? It is at Ahilyanagar in Maharashtra. Next, which country along with India commenced the bilateral maritime exercise, that is Konkan, of its western coast from 5th to 12th of October? It is UK, United Kingdom. And here INS Vikrant took part in this exercise. Next, the BRO Border Road Organization built the world's highest motorable road at Migla Pass at an altitude of how much? At an altitude of 19,400 feet in Ladakh under Project Himang in October. Right? And it is BRO that has built this world's highest motorable road. Next is the Telecommunication Engineering Center under Department of Telecommunication has signed a memorandum of understanding with which institution in October to advance research in next generation telecom technologies. So which is it? It is International Institute of Information Technology that is in Nava Raipur. This will jointly pursue research, innovation and standardization in the next generation telecommunication technologies. Next is name the nationwide campaign launched by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman from Gandhinagar, Gujarat to facilitate the settlement of unclaimed financial assets across India. It is Aapki Punji, Aapka Adhikar is the right option. Next, Union Minister Amit Shah has launched the Majhe Ghar Yojana, right, in October to grant ownership rights to residents of which Indian state? It is for the state residents of Goa. Next, the 71st National Wildlife Week was observed from 2nd to 8th of October across India. Which of the following projects was not launched during the WLW, that is Wildlife Week celebrations presided by Bhupendra Yadav ji? Right, that was held in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. This is the location here. So, question asked here is that which of the following projects was not launched here? So, Project Snow Leopard is the project that was not launched here. Next, which ministry has launched People's Plan campaign Sabki Yojana Sabka Vikas Abhiyan in October to prepare Panchayat development plans for FY27? So, which is this ministry launched the People's Plan campaign? It is the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. This is the right option. This campaign will promote participatory participation, right? It will promote transparency. It will be promoting accountability of local governance here. Moving on. Next, choose the institution where Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, right, approved the establishment of Namo Semiconductor Laboratory in October that will boost indigenous semiconductor facilities. So choose the institution. It is IIT Bhubaneswar of Odisha. Next, which OTT platform, that is over the top platform, was launched by Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to preserve and promote languages and culture on global stage? It is Abhijat Marathi OTT platform. Next is which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the 4 major railway multi-tracking projects worth 24,634 crore rupees approved by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs in October? If we look at the options, which is the incorrect? Option B is incorrect. That means A is right, C is right. B is saying that the Vadodara Ratlam section spanning 259 km involves the development of 3rd and the 4th lines and connects Gujarat and Rajasthan. Is it so? So it involves the construction. This is the Vadodara Ratlam line, right? It connects Gujarat and Rajasthan. No, it connects not Gujarat and Rajasthan, but it connects Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now option B is right. Next, identify the organization that in collaboration with Integrated Defence Staff and Tri-Services has launched the Indian Radio Software Architecture Standard 1.0 to build compatibility in military service communication in October. So identify that organization. It is DRDO. Next is students revision part. They were the first part, right, of this national affairs. Second part will be coming tomorrow. Now let's move to the revision part that will be quite beneficial for you all. Is in September, which insurance company signed a bancassurance agreement with Equitas Small Finance Bank to expand insurance access to across rural and urban areas? What is a bancassurance? Bancassurance is when a bank comes and tie up with an insurance company, right? Or insurance company partners with a bank where they can sell their insurance products to the customers of the bank. So which is the insurance company here? It is Tata AIG General Insurance Company. Next is in September, Axis Bank in partnership with Dash launched India's first gold-backed credit line on UPI, aiming to simplify the working capital access, business growth financing and urgent liquidity needs. So Axis Bank in September, they partnered with whom? They partnered with Freecharge. Next is in collaboration with which of the following card companies did PhonePe Private Limited launch an exclusive tap and pay feature for the company's cardholders in India? It was in partnership with MasterCard. Next is in September, RBI announced a new scheme available from 1st of October 2025 to 30th of September 2026, right? And this is for facilitating the accelerated payout to ensure faster settlement of inoperative accounts and unclaimed deposits that are lying with the bank. Right, so faster settlement of the inoperative account or the unclaimed deposits that are lying with the bank, they will be settled here. Next, in September, SEBI, they extended the deadline for the complete rollout of what? For the complete rollout of the retail algorithmic trading, right? So take a note of this. Correct. This initiative aims to strengthen MSME across India by implementing a cost-effective, innovative, right? These retail algorithm trading that will help the retail investors in making better trading decisions. Next, in September, which of the following launched a new scheme aimed at development of industry association aiming to strengthen MSMEs across India? So which of the following here we are talking about? It is SIDBI. Correct. They are the organization. They have launched a new scheme, that is DIA, Development of Industry Association, the aim of which is to strengthen MSMEs across India. Next, in September, RBI imposed a penalty of 31.8 lakh rupees on which bank for their non-compliance with the directions on priority sector lending targets and classification. So RBI, they imposed a penalty of 31.8 lakh rupees on Indian Overseas Bank, that is IOB. Next is RBL Bank Limited. They recently entered into a strategic bancassurance partnership with which insurance company to distribute their life insurance product across India. So they partnered with Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC. Right, this tie-up was officially announced on 30th of September and it is in presence of the various senior officials from both the institutions. This partnership will support India's goal of insurance for all by 2047. Next, identify the company that received the approval from IRDAI in September for composite corporate agent license. Right, so this is a composite corporate agent license, correct, and it is Fatak Pay Insurance Solutions Private Limited. Right, this is a subsidiary of Fatak Pay Digital, which is India's one of the leading digital financial service platform. They have received this approval from IRDAI for their composite corporate agent license. Now for Fatak Secure, now they can offer motor, health, accident, life, corporate insurance to millions of the underserved communities, and they will be specifically targeting the gig workers. Next is name the digital payment platform that launched the UPI initiative, that is Payment Ka A to Z, in September to promote cashless economy in India. So name that digital platform, right, that launched Payment Ka A to Z. It was by Amazon Pay India Private Limited, or we can say Amazon Pay launched this Payment Ka A to Z initiative. And here Amazon Pay, they launched this campaign Payment Ka A to Z featuring Bollywood star Ayushmann Khurrana as their ambassador for this campaign. Next, how much loan amount was approved for the development of Indore Metro Rail project in Madhya Pradesh by Asian Development Bank in October 2025. So a $190 million loan was approved here by approved for the development of Indore Metro by Asian Development Bank. Next, identify the organization that was granted SRO, self-regulatory organization status by RBI for asset and loan financing of NBFCs. So, which is it? It is Finance Industry Development Council, FIDC. Next, identify the monetary penalty amount imposed by RBI on HDB Financial Services for non-compliance with the regulatory directions. So, identify the monetary penalty. How much penalty? It is 4.2 lakh rupees penalty by RBI on HDB Financial Services for non-compliance with regulatory directions. Right? Take a note of it. Next is select the organization that collaborated with SEBI to develop validated UPI handles and SEBI check initiative launched in October to strengthen investor payment security. So, which is that organization that collaborated with SEBI here to launch this validated UPI handles? So, it is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, right? And they have introduced at the rate of valid UPI IDs for all the registered investors facing intermediaries including brokers and mutual funds. Next, identify the bank that in partnership with Ubuntu Systems Private Limited launched India's first youth-focused digital banking application, that is Cosmos Galgal app in October. So identify that bank we are talking about. It is Cosmos Cooperative Bank. Next is name the product launched jointly by PhonePe and Utkarsh Small Finance Bank in October through the PhonePe app, which offers a fixed deposit backed credit card starting from 2000 rupees. It is Wish Credit Card. Next is pick the payment gateway that in collaboration with Yes Bank, they have launched India's first RBI compliant biometric authentication system for the payments in October. So, which is that payment gateway we are talking about? We are talking about Razorpay. Next, RBI linked Bharat Connect with which platform in October to facilitate dollar transactions for individual customers? So, it was with FX Retail platform. Next, Jair da Costa, a former striker of Brazil's national football team, passed away at the age of 84. Question is, he was a member of which year's Internet FIFA World Cup winning squad of Brazil? So he was a part of which year's team? This is your homework, students, right? And I need to see maximum participation from all the students watching this video. Next is identify the foreign company whose 26% stake acquisition by Bajaj Finserv Limited in October led to the rebranding of the insurance ventures as Bajaj General Insurance and Bajaj Life Insurance. So identify that foreign company that we are talking about. It is Alliance SE. Next, SBI General Insurance Company Limited launched which health insurance plan in October that offer customers over 50 customizable coverage options? It is Health Alpha, right? And this is an optional coverage, right? In that event, no claims are filed under the policy and it offers up to 10x annually. The cover ranges from 5 lakh rupees to the maximum amount insured, a 5-year policy option with tenure-based premium reduction. Next is RBI cancelled the banking license of which urban cooperative bank in October due to poor financial positions and failure to comply with the regulatory norms. So which is it? It is Jijamata Mahila Shakari Bank.